Hello, this is Ivan with WTI, and I have here the Magic Mouse 2 Grip by Elevation Lab. They have been wonderful to use, very smooth control over my mouse while I'm browsing as well as while I'm doing some work with it. If you're looking for grips for your Apple Magic Mouse, these are amazing, high quality. As soon as you put it on, you can tell that it is solid and that it's a product that's going to last you long as well. For myself, I installed these maybe about 5 years ago. They have lasted this long to where I have not had to change the adhesive to it. So it's the original adhesive that came with it. That tells you that these mouse grips are going to last long, and it's a very high quality product as well. I have wider hands, so I needed this so that I'm able to use my mouse in a way that it feels comfortable, so my hand doesn't feel tired. So this is the perfect addition to your Magic Mouse, so don't hesitate to get it. That's my point of view.